In this video, me and my brother is going to eat every chicken burger from every fast food restaurant. I'm gonna rate it for you out of 10. Please subscribe because I'm using my pocket money to fund this video. First one's gonna be and W. Wait to the end because I'm gonna show you my favorite chicken burger ever.
CJ, how long did the food take to come?
About like 1 minute.
1 minute?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let us know the presentation. What do you think about the presentation of the food, of the burger? You can put it on top.
Big burger.
You can put it on top here.
I'll rate the presentation 8.9. 8.9
for presentation.
Yeah.
Okay, now finally take a taste.
3, 2, 1. Taste amazing.
So, out of 10, what do you give this burger?
Kind of tastes like normal, but I'll rate it 7.5.
7.5. Okay, thank you. What do you think? What do you rate out of 10?
9. Now for the next restaurant. KFC. As I was walking to KFC, I noticed something. There was about 50 people in the line.
Meanwhile,
Even my dad and brother were so bored. We got our food. It took like 14 minutes to come. It's not that big. Last but not least, the taste. KFC, you better not scam me. Jeez. The Whopper not big, but how's it big? I rated that 9.8.
9.8.
This is the best burger.
What do you rate it as?
It's too greasy.
What do you rate it as?
A 10. The next place we're going to is Popeyes.
It's literally snowing. Look at my face. I look like Santa Claus. We're in where are we right now?
Popeyes.
What burger do you want?
I want the biggest burger. Guys, we just ordered our chicken burger. Popeyes took so long to go to. We was freezing into the snow. About 2 minutes. And the performance, they cut it in half. Performance is good. Yeah, good. A lot, super crispy. Now, let's eat it. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Just have pickles. I don't like pickles, but for you guys, I'm gonna eat it. Wait. Cheers. Sink it and sink it. I rate it 8 out of 10.
What do you rate it?
Rate it. 11.
11 out of 10.
Now for the next one. Second last one. Bumblebee. McDonald.
Woo!
Guys, we just got to McDonald's and it's snowing. Please subscribe because I'm using my pocket money to fund this video. Okay, for the time, it took like 4 seconds. Super good. Performance had a lot of lettuce, but super good. But now, last but not least, the taste. I love it. Super tasty. I will rate this 5. Wait, no. 7 out of 10. It's
Okay.
basic, but yummy. Now we're going to
This is gonna be the last one. The last one of the day.
GQ.
What does DQ stand for?
Dairy Queen. Okay, now we're at DQ. I already ordered something beforehand, but let's see if it's here. And we're back. Okay, DQ, it took like 20 minutes. Time is already bad. Presentation. That's not even that big. I don't like mayonnaise. Hold the mayonnaise. You forgot the pickles. The burger at DQ was popping hot. Super hot. I'd rate this 6 out of 10. The winning burger is, drumroll please, KFC. I know, but that was just the best chicken. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.